guys, today we are going to make curd murukulu. For that we need 1 kg of rice flour and 1 liter of oil for deep frying. You can take less as per your preference. Next we need red chili powder. After that we need hing. After that we need white till. And after that we need 1 liter of curd, as this is curd murukku, and salt as per taste. So first you need to pour oil into it. About 1 liter oil we are pouring, and keep it in high flame. Then add curd, a very thick curd, into a bowl. It should be like some milk and some curd you can add. We are adding 1 liter of it. After that add rice flour, about 1 kg of rice flour. Then salt as per taste. Then add red chili powder as per taste. We are adding about 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon. Then add hing, about 1 teaspoon. After that add white till. This is the main. If you don't have white till, don't make, because white till is the main part in this. It will bring out a very nice texture and taste to it. So white till you can add 3-4 tablespoons. Then mix it really well. After mixing you should get an outcome like this. After you have to add it into the murukku presser, in which the murukku will be pressed. So they should have this much big holes, not too small, not too big. They should have medium type of hole. After that you have to take this for pressing it, and I'll show how to press it also. So you have to take something like this. After that you have to keep it into it, and then you'll have a button. You have to press that so that it goes inside. Here you have a button or a screw you might have. When you press it, it goes inside. Then turn it over. When you turn it over, it will be done. It will be attached to it. Then you can press it easily. After that you have to pour the batter into oil, very hot oil. So after that you should keep it in high flame and fry them. So after you fry them, they look something like this. You have to take them out when they are something like this. We got very small, but sometimes we get very big also, like this. So you can pour it into a big bowl. So we are making a lot, so it is like this. If you want to make less quantity, you can make half the quantity, or you can do like something like that. So guys, as you have seen how to make curd murukku, that's all for this day. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.